You're at, you want to see a cold start video of the 76 Monte Carlo with no touching the pedals. Here we go. Cold start, as you can see, cold to the touch, ready to go. I'm going to stand outside the video so you can see I'm not touching the gas pedal at all. Car's running, nice idle. You want me to shut it off and start it a few more times? Let's get it up to idle here. And I'll shut it off and start it again. As you can see, I'm going to step on the gas one time. Gas pedal, nothing's in there. Shut it off. Start it again. Starts right up. Start one. Show you again. Shut it off. Starts right up. Step on the gas. Show you a little bit of what it does afterwards. Behind me, no smoke. Nice, good, dull car. You can view this car at classicradrods.net.